Hello people, welcome to the show. Today we've got Ray LaMontagne, the Besnard Lakes, Mumford and Sons, Broken Social Scene, and Ray Charles. Stick around.
So the hometown's bringing you down, or you're drowning in the small talk and the chatter.
True story. Ray LaMontagne was working double shifts in a shoe factory in 1999 when he heard Stephen Stills' Treetop Flyer on the radio and decided right then and there to become a musician.
Young man, full of big plans and thinking about tomorrow.
There's a rootsy intensity to his raspy voice performance, one that recalls the band or Neil Young at their poignant best. If you're a fan of those artists, this record is definitely worth a listen. The 5th annual Polaris Prize for Music takes place this week, and it's going to be broadcast on Saturday night when the 10 shortlist nominees each play one song from their most recent album. Our pick for the grand prize is Montreal's psych rock outfit, the Besnard Lakes, seen here on Jimmy Fallon from a few months back. Mumford and Sons, a band of Brits who, incidentally, are not related, have steadily been making waves since they formed in late 2007. Their acclaimed debut disc dropped last year, and they're next slated to work with Ray Davies on his upcoming solo album. Here they are at the Haldern Pop Festival last month, where they delivered a full-on folk rock performance that's been collected on this trade-friendly DVD. You're watching the show closer, their sing-along hit, The Cave. Toronto's joyously chaotic Broken Social Scene, who also made the Polaris 2010 shortlist, are on an extended world tour that rolls across North America through October, and then departs for Mexico, Portugal, and points beyond. BSS are touring in support of their eclectic Forgiveness rock record and have a new female frontwoman, the lovely Lisa Lobsinger. You gotta figure that she's both excited and nervous to be occupying this slot, given the track record of Emily Haines and Amy Millan and Leslie Feist. But she doesn't disappoint here, delivering the hauntingly beautiful All to All. We want to give a special Rock Peaks shout out to one of the greatest natural troublemakers of all time, Ray Charles.
Mama, don't you treat me wrong. Come and love me, daddy, all night long.
This Wednesday would have been Ray's 80th birthday. Here he is at age 35 performing his classic What I'd Say on Murray the K's It's What's Happenin' Baby TV special. I'm Barnaby Marshall. Catch you next time on Rock Peaks.
I know it's all right now. Hey, hey, hey.